Alright guys, these are some of my collection of tools. These ones is being already sort of organized. I just put some little clamps here that I just acquired. There's a clamp for tire, fixing tire. Little vices like this record number 80 imp, a reed vise, some very tiny jeweler vise, very tiny ones, jeweler vices, a hand drill, the hand grinder, a Stanley Victor. I think it's here, Stanley Victor. Yep, there we go. There's some hand vices here. Massive screwdriver. Doesn't fit on the jaw. A Union toolbox for now it's empty. Then we have some little bits and pieces, some pliers, war pliers, some sort of different brands, Crescent 1950, some leather tools, oilers, gauges, and this tiny screwdriver, bottle opener, wine bottle opener. Then we have the screwdrivers, old cables, all perfect handle style. This one is Paxton. This one is, there's an R-ring one. This one, USA made. Stanley screwdriver. Some carpenter, cabinet maker screwdrivers. Long ones, tiny ones. Go from longest to smaller. Some still need to clean. I just got those ones. That's the bike wrenches. That's a perfect handle. Still don't know if I'll restore or not, or leave as it is. A perfect handle. Then have some more here. All wrenches, King Dick. This one is a Lucas one, and that's a bigger version of it. Still have to organize better. This one I have some knives, a bayonet knife, hammer, and some markers. Those ones are already cleaned. Left the life marks here. That's a Stanley. One of them is a Stanley Sweetheart. Not this one. Yep, there you go. Number 77. Those are tape measures. All types of tape measure. Rebond, Stanley, different brands, wooden ones, Stanley knife, level, and some scissors, a big whisk scissor. On the bottom one we have wrenches. This one I have double, just got this one. Double of this one too. These two are the same, I believe. The different ones, Ford, King Dick, and some old pipe wrenches. This one is broken in here, so it doesn't go up and down. This one should be fine. That's fine. I think this one is also broken here. And some alligator wrenches there, Ford S wrench. These are more. This one, it's a WBCO and Co. W&Co. I've changed the handle here. It was used probably in New South Wales during the war. As you can see, this symbol here. This one I've just cleaned. It's made in America. And Paxton, two Paxtons, 12 and 10 inches, a seed chrome big one. Seed chrome Stanley. I kept this one just because it's a big one. Footprint. So I have the 3 footprint with the screws still. Still has the original screw. These 2 and this little one. The other ones, it's hard to find with the screws. We have some blacksmith wrenches I've already cleaned. This one is American one. It's missing the something that goes here to adjust, but it looks pretty cool and very different. New Bedford, Mass. Trademark. Yeah, couldn't find the piece. Some wire cutters, diamond alloy, some Baco wrenches. That's a very different one. That's an adjustable speed nut. And Baxter, Trimo, and some French, I think. Very old. This one is an adjustable one. I've already cleaned. It was really rusty. Couldn't take this off, of course. And that's just clamps and some hand saw that I've already cleaned. Huge. There you go. Those are some of my wrenches and tools in general. Hope you enjoy. Leave your comment.